So I just wanted to tell you that some short palm trees there. You see, they're short, and the other ones are bigger, like half bigger. And then you have a short one again, and a shorter one, and a bigger one, bigger. So I think when one dies, they plant another, and it goes on and on and on and on and on through the street. So yeah. Palm trees in Canary Islands. They're not affected by wind somehow. I don't know how. But yeah. I like palm trees. And they're not coconut palms, they're not date palms, they're just decorative palms. Decorative, I don't know how to call them. And yeah, look.